Hello, my name is Engineer Vincent, and in this tutorial we will start our video series of designing a steel structure building from the start to the end, where we will explore on how engineers use RSA in their designing workflow. Let's get started. Open Autodesk Robot Structure Analysis and select the building design template. After that, let's start with some project setup by clicking Tools menu, then Job Preferences, then Units and Format. Select Imperial for the default units. Next, select the Materials item on the left and select American for the materials. Then choose A99250 for steel. Next, expand databases and make sure that AIC and SJI are available on steel and timber sections. Next, select the design code for steel aluminum structures. Select AIC 360-16 and for RC structures select ACI 318-14. Next, expand design codes and choose loads. Select LRFD ASCE 7-16 for code combination in IBC 2018 for seismic loads. Once we have done that, click OK. Now we begin modeling structure access by opening the Access Definition toolbar on the right side. On the X tab, enter 0 for the position, then 2 for number of repeat, and 30 for distance, and select 1, 2, 3 for numbering at the bottom, then press Add. Now switch to the Y tab and do the same except use 20 for the distance and choose ABC for numbering. Next, give a Z grids of 0, 14 and 28 and use values as numbering. Then click Apply and Close. Your model should look like this. Now we will set up our stories to match the levels we have added, because stories will be used in seismic analysis. Open Story Configuration from Geometry menu, then Stories, then Stories. First, select Define manually, then enter 1 for number of repeat and 14 for height, then press Add. Your dialog should look like this. On the next video, we will start modeling columns and beams. I hope you have learned something through this tutorial. Until next time, goodbye for now.